Def Jam Records. Hey, baby. I know y'all love me because I love y'all. DMX, rest in peace, baby. All right. Yeah. Okay. Now, here we go. Lord. Yeah. Freestyle and all that. You know what I mean? Some little epic and all that, man. You know, I love all y'all. I mean, I know I got my ways and all that. You know, trying to pipe it down a little something. You know what I mean? Enjoy the rest of this summer, y'all.
Wicked tones, you know.
I ain't gonna be around too much longer. I mean, going away for a minute. I'll be back. Yeah, trying to study. I've been falling off, bugging out and shit, going crazy and all that. But God is good at the end of the day. Hope all is well. Rest in peace to all of mine. You know, I love y'all. Mama, Ice, Lil Bobby, Scope, man. Wow. Ooh. Like I said, man, shit's getting hard out here, man. I do not own the rights to this beat. God bless all. Syracuse, New York, stand up, man. Stop the violence, man. Come on now. Y'all ain't tired? We all got our ways, though. We got our flaws. You know what I mean? Some things gotta get handled. You know what I mean? But, I don't condone it, but shit. When you transgress against with it, it makes you evil and bitter. It's like doing time, man. Get 32 years, my nigga. I'm still here, though. God is good. I ain't glorifying it. I made it out. Still here. Stop talking if y'all know what y'all talking about. Word up, Ice, rest in peace. Say what you want, though. I'm still here. Run these streets every day and all that. But don't get back into it, man. Fuck you niggas. Freestyle, Double R, Ice Game, Flood Money Records. I do not own the rights to this beat, son. Southside, Syracuse, New York, 2307 South State Street.
Wicked tones, you know what I'm saying?
Each and every time I try, somebody had to get in my way. And just keep on hating on me, talking about me, yeah. Dogging my name in the streets, my own family, yeah. Bloodline, it doesn't exist no more. Oh, everybody's closing their doors. Only kinfolk, family, loved ones related. What about your bloodline? Do you want to die? What about your bloodline? Yeah. Why don't we stick together? What about your bloodline? I thought we were family or bloodline. Look in my eyes, do you love me? I know that I got my ups and downs, yeah. We all do, yeah. We got our flaws, yeah. We do our wrongs. At the end of the day, y'all know my heart. Why everybody keep blaming me for everything that's going on out here, yeah. I'm talking about my bloodline, family, oh, yeah. Dogging me out in these streets when I will be the first one there for you. If anybody fuck with you, yeah. Why? Since mama been gone, yeah. Everybody's falling apart, yeah. Everybody's falling apart, yeah. Talking about everybody under the sun. Trying to get your own kind knocked off. Out here in these streets, oh, what you gonna do, hey, when they come and get me? or I get one of them. I'm on point, yeah. Oh, yeah. And I'm gonna keep it pushing, yeah.
Wicked tones, nice.
My mama told me, little Ronnie, aka Red Rain, you know that I love you. Oh, slow down, my son. Yeah, I'm gonna hurt so much if I lose you, my oldest boy, little Ronnie, AG Jr. You can't take it from me. It belongs to me and only me. Thank you, Daddy. Rest in peace. Ooh. Come on down here and open the eyes. I'm talking about my siblings and those that say that they love me. Yeah, yeah. I'm talking about my bloodline. Is it really mine? Is it really my bloodline? Yeah. And do you really love me? Is it my bloodline? Do we got the same DNA? Yeah. Is your mama named, grandmama named Annie Mae Holmes? Annie Mae Holmes. My mama name is Annie Doris Holmes. Annie Doris Holmes. My auntie name is Annie Mae Holmes. Yeah. I got an aunt named Diane and Maybelle, Aunt Majita, slow cooker, Bernice, and Cynthia, 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 Cynthia. She's the baby, yeah. Oh, of this family, the Holmes, HOLMES. All of my cousins, all of my cousins, all of my children, my grandchildren, my nieces and my nephews, yeah. Oh, my brothers and sisters, yeah. Shout out to my Uncle Sanders, thank you for holding it down by yourself. You're a very strong man. I want you to know that I understand and I love you. I miss you. Yeah, HOLMES. There we go, baby. Southside. Southside, baby. You know, Syracuse, New York and all that. God is good, baby. God is real good. I mean, y'all can't fuck with me. I'm the shit, bitch. HOLMES. Come on, baby, stand up. Ronnie A.G. Jr. Rest in peace, Daddy. I love you, baby. Okay? Oh, y'all, Mama D, let's go, baby. Mama Clear. Yeah, nigga. Double R, Ice Game, Flow Money Records. Ice, rest in peace. One. Got you, baby. God damn.